So Tilana is a rhythmic piece in Carnatic music that's generally performed at the end of a concert. It's widely used in classical Indian dance performances. It's generally a fast round, and our Tilana round is also going to be a fast round. And it's also going to be a round where you can score quite a lot of points, and therefore the tables may completely change at the end of this round. So even if your team is not ahead, don't worry about it. And the way we're going to have this round is that the team which is currently at the bottom of the table will get the first choice, and then we'll work our way backwards so that the maximum choice is given to the team that is currently trailing. Okay, and we'll go to the rules of this specific round. This round is going to have fully anagrams. So each team has to try and crack 6 anagrams that are going to be on the board. Okay. In this round, the questions don't pass to the next team. They're just to your team. If you cannot answer within the time, it goes to the audience. That's it. Now, the number of letters in the answer are there just next to the clue. So there'll be a clue, the anagram or jumble. Then there would be a number of boxes next to it to tell you. So in case you don't have paper, pencil or something, and you want to get that handy, please do it now, because you might need to, rejig it around to figure out what the answers are. Now, there are going to be 6 questions. The first 3 questions are related to Hindi movies. The second 3 questions, 1 to 3 is Hindi movies. 4, 5, 6 are going to be Tamil movies. In addition, it is going to have M, L or S next to it. M means it's a music director. L means it's a lyricist. S means it's a singer. So if you see MH, it means it's a music director in Hindi. If you see LH, a lyricist, SH, singer, and so on. You don't have to decide what, you can choose any one of those 6 and say, I want to do this one first. So if you think you know your singers better in Tamil, go for that first and then crack your way back. Also, when you get a right answer, some letter clues will open up in the others so that you will get more chance of solving it. So try to do it in a way that you know the answers or areas you know well. You start with that and then finish the rest. In addition to the points that you can score in this, so every correct answer you will score 100 points in this. No negative points. You can answer any number of times till you can get it. Plus, there is a time bonus. The amount of time bonus you get will be indicated by a clock on the side. So if you can do all of it fast, all 6 within the fastest time, you can get up to a maximum of 600 bonus points. So you can get 600 plus another 600 bonus. So maximum you can get is 1,200 points in this round if you play it carefully. If otherwise, if you get all correct and then you get maybe 200 bonus, you'll get 800 and so on. If you get all answers correct, we'll get 100 points for every correct answer. So that's about it. Those are the rules. If anyone has any doubts, ask us now. Otherwise, we'll go on to the...
Silano Rukatri had a doubt, I think. So I saw somebody raise their hand. Go ahead.
No, it wasn't a doubt. There were a lot of disturbances. We couldn't hear it clearly. That's all. I just wanted to raise it that time.
Silano Rukatri, you have hand up. You want to ask something?
There were a lot of disturbances when you were telling us initially. So I was like very doubtful whether it is you who are talking or somebody else.
I can't hear you, Silano Rukatri.
I can hear them. Sonia, can you hear us?
You can't hear yet?
1 second.
Yeah, so we heard you, Silano Rukatri, but I hope you are able to, you are clear with the rules now.
Yeah, so far, okay. If you have any doubt, again, we can always ask, I guess.
Yeah. So if you have any doubts at all, please speak up now before we start the actual questions. Yeah, because this is like a rapid fire round. So you probably get a minute of...
I have a question.
Yeah.
So the entire 6 anagrams will come to one team, their block is done, then the next block goes, or it just goes like a rapid fire, or is there a set time limit into which they have to crack these 6 anagrams?
There is a time limit. So basically, if they get it fastest within the time that's shown there, then they get time bonus. Otherwise, they get another minute to try and crack everything. If even after a minute they can't, it'll go to the audience. It does not pass. Yeah. So the team gets the board. They can try and crack it. They'll get like about 2 minutes in all to crack everything. If they can't, it just goes to the audience. It doesn't pass. If they're able to do it, they get whatever points we told you already. Okay.
So each team completes its board and then only it goes to the next team, like that, right?
Correct.
Thanks.
Yeah, it will not be infinite time. We'll stop you at one point and say, okay, please give up.
Yeah. There is no passing in this round.
There is no passing, and we are going to give the team that is currently at the last position the first go at it. So who's that? Silino Ricatre, you get the first chance.
Yeah. Four.
Okay. Choose anything and answer, basically. That's it.
ST.
Okay. What's the answer? Just go for the answer. ST.
Oh, we have to answer it.
It's an anagram. I am Vain Raja. Anagram. Just anagram and give the answer. It's singer, Tamil singer. Anagram of I am Vain Raja. 4 letters and 6 letters.
You can correct him with the 6.
You can answer it quick.
Vani Jairam.
Correct? Yeah.
Who's saying?
Who is saying? We cannot answer.
It's only your turn. Nobody else should answer. If they give it to you, you get point.
Somebody else is answering.
Mahesh.
You get the points. You get the points.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Mute yourself, everybody else.
This is read the anagram.
Go on. Next one.
It's only for team number 3.
Yeah.
Number.
Next we have to select the number.
Yeah.
Illama.
Tell the number and answer.
Okay, நம்மளுக்கு தெரிஞ்சது இது எல்லாத்தையும் சொல்லணும்பா.
Yeah, say what the answer is and keep answering.
Time போற வரைக்கும். Add has anagrams. Okay, see, LT. It is lyricist in Tamil.
Please, everybody mute yourself.
Only 30.
Only Silino Ricatre, unmute and answer.
And we can go on whatever order.
Any order? You have some letter clues. Right?
So it is to the audience.
So we are going to give it to the audience if your Silino Ricatre is giving up. You get 100 points for what you got so far. You can answer any number of wrong times also. It doesn't matter.
Can I go?
Yeah. No, wait. Who?
No.
Let them finish. You giving up?
Will this pass over?
No pass. Okay.
Madan Karki.
Let's open to the audience. Okay. Corn Miller, music director.
Anu Malik.
Right?
Dark Hanky Ma. Madan Karki.
Rain lashed is Shailendra.
Rain Lash is Shailendra, correct? Add
Sadhana
Sargam is right.
Madan Karki.
Pura.
4 is Anirudh Ravichandran.
Anirudh Ravichandran is correct. Dark Hanky Ma.
Madan Karki.
Madan Karki is right. So basically that's it. The team gets 100 points. Silino Ricatre gets 100 points. Now next. Ilaya Nila. Which one do you want?
We'll choose number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah, Swami, I will take this one. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Can you have the second board? Yeah, please start.
Yeah, 6 is SP Balasubramaniam.
That's right.
ST is SP Balasubramaniam.
That is correct. Yeah.
Lyricist Mata Arias.
Keep going.
Musician Tamil.
Musician in Tamil.
Yes, and
Lyricist Tamil baru. Vairamuthu. இல்ல Vairamuthu இல்ல. The Tamarai. Lyricist Tamil Tamarai, number 5.
That is correct. Yeah, number 5 is Tamarai. Keep going. Keep going.
Then Devas.
You will see that some more letters are exposed now.
Singer. Shreya.
Singer Hindi.
The
H. H. H.
Salil Chaudhary. Number 1, Salil Chaudhary, music MH.
That is correct.
One.
That's correct. Yeah, Salil Chaudhary.
Then
And Tamil.
Three more to go.
Yeah.
M is musician, right?
Yeah, musician in Tamil.
Music director, yeah.
Yeah, music
director.
Music director. This is music director.
Music director.
Okay.
Wow.
Tamil. Tamil LH.
LH lyricist.
Hindi lyricist.
Lyricist Hindi. Along this kid. Shobha Heels. Shobha Heels singer.
Singer Hindi.
Time is almost up, guys.
Oh, only singer.
Okay, I think time is up.
300 points. Well
You
done.
get 300 points.
Rest goes to the audience, yeah.
For the remaining.
3 is Asha Bhosle.
Asha Bhosle.
Ashla Bhosle, Vidya Sagar,
And Salil.
Yes, sir.
Asha Bhosle.
Vidya Sagar.
Irshad Kamil.
Irshad Kamil is right.
Oh, Vidya Sagar. No. It's okay.
300 points
Okay, so
to
300 points.
Ilay Nilam.
Next is Ragam team.
Go for 5.
Go ahead, Soumya. Take this one.
5. Ragam, ready?
Yes.
Okay. Just pick the numbers and keep going, yeah? Don't waste time.
Can we answer?
Yeah, keep answering.
Madan Mohan,
Follow the
first
number.
one.
Very good.
No?
Madan Mohan is right.
P. Sushila, 6.
Correct. 6 is right, P. Sushila.
Third one, Sunidhi Chauhan.
Nidhi Chauhan is right.
Javed Akhtar, lyricist.
Javed Akhtar is right.
That's right.
2 more to go.
4 is Haris Jairaj.
Very good. 1 more to go. Fast, you'll get 400 bonus.
Tamil
500 so far.
lyricist. Tamil lyricist.
Tamil
is the last
lyricist.
winning.
Starting in P. Time is almost out. Okay, 500 points to Ragam then. It goes open to the audience. Anyone wants to go?
Pulamai Pittan. Audience.
Pulamai Pittan is correct. Next is Blockbusters. Ramki, over to you.
Yeah. Please choose your board, Blockbusters.
So we'll choose 3.
Okay, can we have 3? So get started.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, Amit Trivedi.
Amit Trivedi is one.
Okay. Number 1 is Amit Trivedi. That's right. Keep going. You see
Okay.
some more letters have opened up.
Yes.
No.
Anagram again यार कौन है? MT.
Okay, your regular time is up. We'll give you another maybe around a minute more, but you have to see how close you can get to the 600 points. Keep trying.
Can keep answering.
Yeah, well, there's no negative marking, so.
Hindi lyricist कौन यार? Who?
Try the singers. Singers are very easy.
Lata, no, not 3. 3 is
Sorry, your time is up.
Okay.
And you get 100 points in this
Get
round.
100.
Audience, any guesses on the
Three,
remaining
Sonu
5?
Nigam.
Nigam. 3 Sonu Nigam.
Now Muthukumar. 5 is now Muthukumar.
Mithun Joshi. No.
Muthu Kumar, yes.
Yeah.
Prasun Joshi. Rajesha.
Last one.
Naresh
number
Iyer,
6.
I think. Naresh.
Naresh Iyer. Yes.
Oh God.
Okay. Next is Sadhaka Paravegal, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Sadhaka
Which one do you want?
We'll go with one. We'll go with one.
With one. Okay. Keep guessing, yeah?
Sachin Dev Burman.
Sachin Dev Burman is right.
Shrikant Deva. Number 4. Musician Tamil Shrikant Deva.
Correct.
Correct.
Anand Nigam.
Singer in Hindi.
Mahendra Kapoor.
No.
No.
Only 4 letters in the second. Yeah, answer it. Just keep answering. I heard you.
Anand Bakshi. 2 is Anand Bakshi.
Correct.
That's right.
I heard the answer for the third.
Initial singer. DJ Chetas.
Yes, sir.
KJ Yesudas. Singer Tamil.
Yes.
KJ Yesudas.
Correct. Nobody else answered. Okay, please.
Lyricist in Tamil.
Yeah.
Mohammed Rafi. Singer.
Yes. Yes. Go on. Last one.
Only lyricist Tamil, starting with K. Kannadasan.
Yes.
That's right.
Yes. Time bonus of 200 also. Well done.
Thank you, thank you,
So 800
thank you.
points that round.
Time also.
Excellent performance, yeah. Okay, and Chennai Cheetahs, are you ready?
Last round of the last.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Start.
Everybody else go on mute, please. Yeah. Chennai Cheetah, please get started. Yeah.
Mannade.
No, there is no Mannade.
No. Not Mannade. Singer.
Speak out your guess loudly. So there's no negative mark.
It's Benny Dayal. Number 6 is Benny Dayal.
That's correct, Benny Dayal.
Singer.
4 is MS Vishwanathan.
Sorry?
4 is MS Vishwanathan.
Yeah, MS, that's correct. 2 done, 4 more left.
M. M इधर आ गया.
Arey, Aparna, second is who is that
Second is Sahil Ludhianvi. Second is Sahil Ludhianvi.
Yep. That's it.
Third.
3 more to go.
I know all. Apna.
D आ रहा है music में.
Hey, who is this Yagnik? Who is this Yagnik number 3? The singer. What is that Yagnik?
Yeah.
Alka Yagnik. Number 6 is Alka Yagnik.
Okay, Alka Yagnik. And your time is almost up. Okay, time is up. You got 400 points.
Sami.
Audience?
Sami was the first.
Right, and the 5th one? Tamil lyricist?
Mardakasi. This Mardakasi. It's Mardakasi.
Yeah.
I got it late. Mardakasi.
Yeah, so
All, you
Chennai
got
Cheetahs
it all,
get
but no time bonus. 600 points. Well done. So that brings us to the end of the quiz. The final points.
Brilliant.
Excellent.
At number 6, Silinoru Katre. Well played. At number 5 is Ilayanila. At number 4 is Blockbusters. Number 3 is Ragam. Number 2 is Sadhaka Paravai. And number 1 is Chennai Cheetah. Excellent.
Well done. Well
Chennai and Lucknow.
well done, all the teams.
Very well done.
Very nice.
Well done.
Excellent.
Super, very good.
Thank you so much.
Well
to
done,
Ramki.
Soumya and Ramki. Superb.
Superb.
Jeetu has
Thank you.
not slept
Yeah, you
last
guys
night.
are awesome. The last round was like so interesting. It was not easy, but it was not very tough. Oh, it was very nice. Best performance from the organizer. We were able to, find out.
It's only in our turn it looks like, it's hard. But then
Very well organized.
all had fun. Let me pass over to Setu and Ram who are with me.
It's
For
okay.
them to say a few words. They have put in so much hard work. Setu needs like a week to recover from this, with all the slides and especially some of the rounds gave him a lot of help. So let me pass it over to him.
Etu needs to come home.
No, it was good fun. I thought, the anagrams were supposed to be, we wanted to make it even easier. But then, we thought we will crack because people, when you get the music,
No, the
Really
thing
excellent. It was very interesting.
Anagram and all are unimaginably good.
Yeah, very nice.
very good.
Very well. Very well.
Enjoyed it a lot.
Yeah,
Really nice. Really nice.
amazing. Especially the last round was amazing.
Yeah.
Hey,
Excellent organizing. It was nice fun.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Superb, Soumya and team. It was very nice.
Very
We had,
nice.
Thoroughly enjoyed.
Ramki, you want to say a few words?
Yeah, we're very happy to see that all of you enjoyed it. And, we also had a lot of fun in putting together. In fact, the idea came just last week when Soumya and I were talking. And then originally we were planning to conduct it somewhere, maybe a week from now. But then, as usual, our schedule got cut short. And then we had to scramble around and get it done. But and we were, honestly, we didn't have an idea about how easy or difficult the questions would be, but surprisingly, all the teams, I think both in the prelims and the finals did outstandingly well. I mean, you will see, we can easily see by, how few questions went to the audience. Almost everything got cracked by one team or the other. So that was amazing, right? And big thank you to Setu and Ram also, because getting the questions is one thing which Soumya and I did, but productionizing it and making it in the form that we delivered it to or something which Setu, thank you Setu for that.
The format was easy to follow and it was really nice. Something very something seen for the first time. At least I am seeing it for the first time, but thoroughly enjoyed.
Yeah, our favorite would be the Tarikita Tillana because that round we've never played anywhere before. It was fun. It was interesting at the same time.
That's a specialist round that we do. We've done it. I think we started it
That's signature Soumya and team's round, right?
Yeah.
This anagram round is signature Soumya and team round.
Yeah.
Yes.
And that anagram actually meant something.
Really enjoyed that anagram round.
Thank you.
It was not some random words. Yeah.
No,
it meant
because
something,
I think
and
both
that
Ramki
was
and I
distracting
like
also.
the crosswords for the Hindus, so anagrams is like a bread and butter kind of thing. So, we just took it to the another level. A lot of my friends here are also cryptic crossword fans. So some of them had to sit because they just missed qualifying for the finals. So some of them would have had a better chance if they had gotten through, but luck of the draw.
So you could see.
Overall, it was extremely interesting and
Very
it was
nice.
very nice.
Very enjoyable. Really enjoyable.
And we are waiting for the next.
I mean, some of you played round 2 really well by doubling the right ones, and sometimes it works against you also. So it's hard to say how to go.
That's the luck of the
also
draw.
has to be
That's the
there.
way it happens.
So, luck of the draw. But I'm glad you all enjoyed it. Great show by all of you. If you want audience questions, we have a few, but then it's time wise. If you guys
We just have one question.
Okay, we have some then. Yeah, okay.
let's ask.
We only have one question to you, Soumya. When is the next quiz program?
Oh my God.
Give us a break.
Yeah.
I hope not
Soumya,
next Eid, but then we will see if Ramki again comes up with some questions and says, shall we run it? And then we say, okay, let's do a quiz of it. Maybe it'll happen again.
hey,
I think you guys should have it in monthly basis here. Monthly once.
If
Soumya,
Ramki is-
That will be amazing. But I
A
know
lot of effort. Yeah.
lot of efforts, of course.
Not easy
Yeah.
to.
So I think we'll wrap
No,
it
Krishnan,
up.
100 points to Elaine Ilar, Krishnan.
Okay.
100 points.
bonus points கொடுங்கப்பா.
100 வச்சா போறாது இப்ப anyway.
ஆமா, நாங்க ஏறி வரணும்.
1000 points கொடுத்தா வேணா ஏதாவது பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம்.
It was fantastic, really. I just
really
Soumya and team were really nice. Huh?
Yeah.
I mean, it was
Yeah,
good
so
investment of time. Yeah. I mean, it was good time.
Yeah.
Waste and some Radhe picture and all released and everybody shouting at it. This is worthwhile, man. Really good. I really enjoyed. But I was disappointed. Radhe would have a question or anything about it. I was trying to forget. It's part of Radhe and then but you know,
Hey, Seeker release the next date of this Soumya. Next we are waiting. We are waiting.
Whenever we are ready with it, yeah. Whenever we come up with something, we need. It has to be a combination of inclination, time, and interest. So when all three of that comes together again, we'll do it another one, yeah.